So what's up, everyone? Today's the 14th of November 2023. Here to talk about Bitcoin Cash. I'm trying to figure out, could this particular cryptocurrency continue to rise in price while the other altcoins tumble? You can see currently right now that the market in Bitcoin Cash is testing our trend line. Will it hold? Because if so, then yeah, price will go up. But if the time frames that we're going to look at today on the video doesn't look like price is going to hold that trend line, then we need to get prepared for price to go lower in Bitcoin Cash right alongside with the rest of the altcoin market. So let's talk about it. Now, I did this price prediction in Bitcoin Cash right there on October the 29th. And you can see here that the market in Bitcoin Cash has been coming across some issues. It's been struggling, trying to go up in price. We can't say that we're not surprised. We already identified where a big area of selling was occurring at $260. The market right here on November the 9th, it attempted to hit that target, that level. But as you can see, even that point, it didn't make it. So the market in Bitcoin Cash is exhibiting a little bit more weakness than what we are accustomed to while it's been massively trending to the upside. Given that we've seen slight indications that this market is becoming less and less bullish, maybe we need to talk about Bitcoin Cash going lower as well. Let's see. Here it is on the 2-day chart. Okay, we're trying to figure out overall, is this area bullish right here? Does it look bullish to you? We can see how price in Bitcoin Cash has tried to hold and keep price from falling far. And this is where those buyers currently is trying to do that right here. Okay, this is where the market buyers is really hitting the market in Bitcoin Cash. We don't want to see price go below that, because if it does, then it kind of gives us a hint that those buyers who's been supporting the price ever since these 2-day price bars of November the 1st for the last 14 days, that they ran out of money. Or if anything, they think the price is too expensive. They cannot hold it any longer. And then that's when Bitcoin Cash is going to fall. Do you think that's about to happen? Take a look at Bitcoin Cash on the 3-day chart. Okay, this last 3-day price bar is weakness, and you combine this 3-day price bar with this weakness bar there, you can kind of say, well, okay, cool, we are still looking at price in Bitcoin Cash being weak. Nothing has changed to substantiate that this trend in Bitcoin Cash is going to hold right now. Here it is on the 5. This 5-day price bar to go along with this one, it all shows how price is still weak here. Here it is on the weekly. This is Bitcoin Cash last printed weekly price bar, meaning that we can't go back and change it. Does that look bullish to you? The price bar that the arrow is pointing down to, does that look bullish? Because to me, it's not. It looks bearish. It looks a little weak. What about on the 2-weekly chart? We got 5 days, 13 hours. Don't let that 2-weekly price bar look the way that it looks right now, because if it does, we need to anticipate that the market in Bitcoin Cash is going to go lower. It's going to go down. Here it is on the 3. Look at this last completed 3-weekly price bar. Again, it doesn't look bullish. The bullish price bars look like this, right? The weakness price bars look like this, this, and this one, right? Now, what about on the 5 weeks? No, let's look at this on the 330-minute chart, okay? You guys can see, let's break this down right here. Look at this. These are the bars that we can tell buyers are entering the market trying to support price. Let me show it to you. This one, this is where buyers is coming to the market. They're coming to the market on this one, this one, this one. But this is where the problem really comes to show itself. These two 330-minute bars is telling me that they're still selling hitting the market, right? Buyers come through, they support the price, lift the market up. But then immediately in the next 330-minute bar, it goes right back down. Same thing on this situation. Buyers came, support the price, but the next 330-minute bar, price goes right back down. This is where the war is going on between the buyers and the sellers to the market in Bitcoin Cash. It looks a little bit better or cleaner here off of this 1-hour chart. Look at this. Look at how many times the market in Bitcoin Cash came and held $232. They're trying. We give the market credit from that standpoint. We give the buyers credit from that viewpoint that they're trying to hold the price. but will they be successful? Okay, let me look at this on the longer hourly chart. Yeah, I don't like how the market is closing off of the highs. It's telling me that people aren't really buying the market in Bitcoin Cash here. And then when you look at this 13-hour price bar, that didn't help out at all neither. So what I'm going to do on this particular video is we're going to go ahead and get rid of this price prediction for Bitcoin Cash. And we're going to play some weakness. Now, I'm not saying that price is going to collapse or plummet. No, I'm just saying it's going to go down. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. So now, this area of resistance will have to come through right around 250. No higher than the high that occurred here on November the 9th, okay? Now the first target, if we're not going to hold this trend line and we suspect price is going to go lower, maybe the market will hold support here. What do you think? That would be our first target. So that would be what, 4.25% there? Second target will be here. That will give us 5.8%. And then the third target, if the weakness continues in Bitcoin Cash, will be all the way down here, which is 10.28% move to the downside. Okay, so now let me do this. Let me get rid of this trend line, and let me get rid of these lines here. And this is what we're going to follow. If we hold price on this trend line, well, matter of fact, let me bring that trend line back. Let's bring that trend line back and get rid of these other ones, because I want to see the market's going to hold that trend line, because if it does, then we already know what's up. All right, so I'm through. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.